Hi everyone! Today we'll be learning how the letter O sounds. Are you ready? Let's start! O sounds O, letter O sounds O. O sounds O, letter O sounds O. O for orange. Orange tastes nice. O for orange. Orange tastes nice. O sounds O, letter O sounds O. O for onion. I cook with onion. O for onion. I cook with onion. O sounds O, letter O sounds O. O for ox. Ox loves to work. O for ox. Ox loves to work. O sounds O, letter O sounds O. O for octopus. Octopus lives in water. O for octopus. Octopus lives in water. O sounds O, letter O sounds O. O for ostrich. Ostrich can't fly. O for ostrich, and ostrich can't fly. O sounds O, letter O sounds O. Please like and subscribe to watch more videos from Fina and KC.